When we think about the future, we imagine what will be new drones applications. Today we are proud to present to you AERACCESS Automated Drone Box Solution. Built for round-the-clock automatic and repeatable drone flights whenever you need it, it can adapt to all type of applications, compatible with almost all AERACCESS drone configuration. At3 Dynamics and AERACCESS worked together on today and tomorrow drones missions. With the integrated weather station, you will be able to know with precision outside conditions. While in the inside, the drone is protected against humidity, low and high temperatures, thanks to the powerful air temperature and humidity control unit. Every hour you can be in the sky at 10 kilometers radius day and night mission. With the 4- and 5-day connectivity, you can control the system from everywhere you are. Be operational every day at every hour.